Your designs look cheap, not because you can't design, but because you don't understand text. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install fonts, master line spacing and letter spacing, and how to center your text.
Right, so let's get started. So before you can download and install any font on your phone or into PixelLab, you would have to get this app which is called Z-Archiver. Okay, there are different apps that you can use, but I personally use this Z-Archiver. Okay, so this will help you to unzip any font you download. Okay, yeah, so let's move on. So I have this 4 websites that I use for my downloads of my fonts. Okay, and these websites, they have the fonts.com, the googlefonts.com, the freefonts.com, and 1100 free fonts. Okay, these are the 4 websites I personally use for my fonts downloads. Okay, yeah, so you also have to get internet connectivity to browse on your browser. Okay, to go to the internet and download whatever font or whichever font that you want to download. So for this video, we are going to use Google Chrome. Okay, then I'll go to my Google Chrome browser. Yeah, also on the search bar or the search engine bar, then I will just type the website or the website that I want to download my font from. Okay, so I'm going to use the font, fonts.com. Okay, so I'll just click enter, then I'll wait for it to load. All right, so this is the website. Okay, this is the fonts.com website. Okay, so when you get to the site or you want to get here, you can see there is a search engine over here, the search bar over here. If you have a particular font name in your head, or you know the name of the font you are looking for, you just type it here, then you click search, then it will pop up for you to download. Okay, so for here you can see we have Butterpop. You can see we have a download icon over here. Okay, you can see we have download. Yeah, this is it. You can download the font from here, right? Let me just download random fonts. Okay, so when I click on it, you wait for it to be downloaded. You can see downloading file. Okay, you wait for it to be downloaded. All right, so we've done downloading our font. Okay, so I'll just click go back to our menu. Then what we're going to do is we are going to head over to our Z-Archiver app over here. All right, so we make sure we are in the internal memory. Okay, yeah. All right, so I'll go to my download folder. Okay, so I have a lot of files over here, a lot of folders over here. So what we are going to do is I'm going to search for the fonts that we just downloaded. All right, so let me just, I think I've seen one over here, so I'll just select the font. Okay, let me just click here and click on multiple selects. Then after that, you just click the zip format font. You can see we have the zip after the name of the font. Okay, so you search for it. You've seen another one too over here. We just click on this check mark over here. Then after that, we click here. Then we are going to cut this. We are going to copy, or we're going to move it. Let's cut it, and then we are going to move it to a different folder. Okay, I want to name it another. I want to give it another folder. Okay, let's paste it here inside font. So I'm going to paste it here. So from here, I'll select it all again, and then I'll click here, and then select all. So from that, I'll then go to extract, and then extract everything here. Okay, so you can see it's been extracted, but it's inside folders. Okay, what we're going to do is I'll open the folders one after the other, and then I'll just copy these folders. I'll copy these fonts, and then I'll come back, and then I'll paste it here. All right, I'll do the same thing for this one. I'll cut and then paste it here. All right, so I don't want the video to be long, so we've gotten 5 fonts. Okay, so from here I'll just go to my PixelLab app. All right, so I go to my PixelLab app, and then I'll just click on the plus icon, go for a test. Okay, this is how to import a font. So I'll just click on a new test, then I'll scroll and go to fonts. Okay, so from here I'll go to my font, and then from here let me show you something. You can see there's a plus sign on the font or on the folder. This one is a folder, and this one is a file. Okay, so when you want to import one single font, okay, you click on this one. Then it take you to where you want to import that particular font. Okay, so when you want to import more than two or more fonts, you click on this folder. Okay, so for this video we are going to import more than 2. Okay, so we click on this folder, then we go to the folder that we named. Okay, we named the folder as font, right? Remember, we named the folder as font. Where is it? Yeah, so here is the font. Okay, yeah, this is a font folder. We come here, then we can see we have our font over here, right? So from here you just click on add to library. You can see, so we click on add to library this way, then you can see we've added the font to our PixelLab app. Okay, yeah, so we just click on this, the font that we just imported. So this is how you import a font into your PixelLab app. And again, I want to show you how to the line spacing and then the spacing. Okay, so let's go to spacing. If you want to space your work, you just space your text. Okay, space it like using this spacing, and then this is letter spacing, and then you go to word spacing. You just increase the word. You just look at the difference. Letter spacing, you just increasing the space in between the letters one after the other, like this. And then word spacing, you are just increasing the words new text. You are increasing the distance between the new and the text. You are increasing it like this, right? Okay, so let's go to line spacing. Okay, let me add another text to this one so that you can understand. Yeah, all right, this is show you how line spacing works. Okay, so line spacing is this: you are increasing the lines between or the space between two text. Okay, you can see how line spacing works. So you increase line spacing like this. Alright, and also how to the center of your text. You can use relative position to make sure you've centered your text. So this is how to import and install, how to download and install fonts onto your PixelLab app. Thanks you, and see you in my next video.